Hey, let's see what's in the fridge for a late night snack. Whoa! Party! It's 10 o'clock, it's Friday, it's time to party. Would you like some cranberry juice or perhaps some, like celery sticks or carrots? There you go. Here we go again. I don't know. Oh man. It's Monday morning and I guess it's time to party. I just need some in a cranberry bottle for morning. I mean, we've already got Zool and Vince Clortho here. I think maybe they're planning to return to their plane of origin or nearest convenient parallel dimension. But when we do, we're gonna party. Party! Well, I just had breakfast and it's still time to party, eh? Bonus.